You are listening to Win on KZKO. Check them out every Monday from 4 to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Only on KZKO The Vibe.
And now, World Improv Network proudly presents Community Court.
When common decency between two parties cannot solve a dispute, Community Court is there to solve the problem.
All rise for the most Honorable Judge Kenneth Vicarro.
Good afternoon, everybody. I hope that your mornings have gone well. You've had a nutritious breakfast and that you're in a good mood here in the courthouse.
I'm on a juice cleanse, Judge.
Maybe Junior needs to go on a cleanse. How about it, Junior? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I guess he's backed up.
He's in a real mood today, Judge. This cleanse would be good for him. Clean him out.
Master cleanse, right? Some ginger, lemonade, paprika.
Little chili powder.
Chili powder, yeah. Well, anyway, we got a case today. We got an old friend of mine, Mr. Justin Bieber. Hello.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you doing today?
I'm a little bit mad, to be honest with you. You know, I'm not too happy right now. You know what I'm saying, bro?
All right. Yeah, no, I hear you, bro. And we're going to try and come to a resolution by the end of this session. And we have over here executive producer and alleged creator of Saturday Night Live, Mr. Lorne Michaels.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today. Now, Mr. Bieber, you are accusing Mr. Michaels here of defamation.
That's correct. You know, I'm the Biebs, and so people cannot say bad things about me, no matter what. Even though that Calvin Klein ad, they photoshopped a lot in there. At the end of the day, you still got to be positive about who I am. You can't be saying bad stuff about me and making fun of me on a TV show like that.
Well.
Oh, yes, Mr. Michaels?
As culturally positioned as Saturday Night Live is within the zeitgeist, it is our responsibility, nay, our duty, to poke fun, to point out the inconsistencies, to laugh at people like Mr. Bieber.
You say it's a responsibility and a duty?
Yes.
Could you maybe elaborate on that? I don't... is this something that's been sanctioned, or this is how you feel?
This is how I feel. Saturday Night Live is an institution, a cultural institution. We are tastemakers, and we are satirists.
Judge, what is he talking about? I don't even know what he's talking about. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what he's saying. And you know what? Just because Junior over there, sitting right next to you by your gavel, has a package as big as mine, and I poop my pants as much as he does not mean he has the right to make fun of me at all.
Well, all right, yeah. Well, Mr. Bieber, that in itself there was sort of self-defamation. I mean, that was self-deprecating what you just said, that you poop your pants.
Well, I just want to let you know, that I'm the most honest person on the planet. Everyone knows that, right? So for him to come over there and insult me for who I am as a person when I'm the most honest guy around, and so I just told you right now, I literally measured my package. It is 3.6 centimeters long.
Oh, okay.
And I actually dropped some things in my drawers that was longer than Junior has right now because I just checked his diaper.
Well, Mr. Bieber, all right, Junior, we'll get to it. Mr. Bieber, why do you feel entitled to not be the object of any satirical or comedic sketches or commentary just because you're so honest?
Because I'm the Biebs. I'm the Biebs, I am the Biebs.
Objection.
I'm the most important person on this planet, I'm a star, and he is not. Look at this guy. He's old, crusty. I can't even understand what he's saying.
All right. Well, now you're getting into defamation. All right, you're
I'm
being
sorry. I was
pretty
hurt, Your
accusatory.
Honor. I was hurt. I'm sorry.
Mr. Michaels, you had an objection.
Let the record show that I am not offended by being insulted or defamed.
What are you insulted by? I mean, if I called you an out of touch has-been who takes credit for things that he actually hasn't accomplished, would that be at all?
No.
What if I called you a talentless hack that has no sense of time or place or ownership and doesn't respect the media and the creative content being produced by the people you employ?
No.
What if I called you, a leech, trying to be a pariah on my success? And who I am as a person?
That is stepping over the line. I'm not a leech. We at SNL, we use the culture.
What if I said you're not funny? You're not funny, Mr. Michaels.
Well, okay. You're entitled to
You're
your
a bad
opinion.
lover. You're a bad lover. I imagine if I was in bed with you, I would just fall asleep.
Well, that is a testable hypothesis or accusation. I believe you have a chambers. We could retire briefly, take a recess, or maybe not so brief, depending on what you need right now.
You want me to come and do some of that stuff with you in that back of the judge's chamber? Because we can test this out.
Justin, I don't feel that you're equipped to handle this mission. Because, Your Honor...
It's not about the size, it's about the motion of the ocean.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes. The ocean's a pretty big thing,
I'm the Biebs, I can shake my hips. Haven't you seen me dance? Have you not seen me dance in my videos? Have you not seen me dance on stage in front of millions of people?
I saw you dancing in the club when we went to Ibiza.
That's right. You saw I can dance. I can even knock Orlando Bloom out.
Yeah, you was breakdancing and stuff.
I can breakdance, which means I should probably do all right in the back of the chambers over there. See, again, you're not giving me a chance. And you're just belittling me on your show, and now you belittle me right now by saying I can't do anything. I'm the Biebs, man. I can egg your house.
Who could egg your house? Would that be at all incendiary to you? I mean,
I would be impressed.
What if I kidnapped your children and strung them up by their ankles and said, "I'll drop them in this tank of sharks if you don't cry"? No, Junior, I'm not talking about you. I would never do that to you.
Please don't get him started, Judge.
Well, Mr. Michaels, how about it?
Yes. I don't have emotion.
That's right, Your Honor. He doesn't have emotion. That's why he shouldn't be running that show. I should own his show, and that's what I'm suing him for. I want to be owner of Saturday Night Live and bring good entertainment to that. What do you say? The pop culture vernacular?
The cultural zeitgeist.
Zeitgeist.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean? Is that a brand of something?
It is a reference to the general set of current pop cultural topics.
What did you mean you're not human?
Oh, no, I'm human. I just lack emotion.
That seems pretty inhumane.
That's totally inhumane. Yeah,
Sir,
that's right.
Inhuman.
You're the kind of guy that eats gorillas.
I have Asperger's, and it's an affliction.
Are you saying that people with Asperger's are not humans?
Is that 100% Angus?
I am...
What?
Is that 100% Angus? Angus, you said Asperger's. You had Asperger's.
No, Biebs. Biebs, Asperger's is
It's an affliction of the mind and personality.
Yeah, we're not talking about...
Like mad cow disease?
Sure. Maybe a little closer to Jakob Creutzfeldt syndrome than the actual mad cow. But same family.
You're warmer than burgers or Angus. It's not burgers.
It's like grilled cheese.
No.
It's unlike that in all ways.
So I would say like a major depressive episode. That's more like grilled cheese.
Oh, and that's exactly what's going to happen to me if he doesn't pull that episode from the air, and if you don't give me his show, because I'm going to get depressed and I'm going to start oozing out like cheese all over Times Square.
Oh, that sounds funny.
That's the Biebs. The Biebs shouldn't happen to the Biebs. You know, when you hit the side of a house with an egg, and it just oozes on down, that's what's going to happen to me, and then the whole world's going to be sad and cry nothing but gypsy tears if I die.
Well...
Yeah,
unfortunately, I lack all emotion and would not be bothered by that.
I'm going to bring this to a conclusion.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse me?
I thanked you.
So
I definitely heard something else.
Your Honor, I swear to God, if you give me his show and you rule in my favor, I will put you on the show. Matter of fact, I'll let you host the show because you're such a good judge.
All right. There it is.
What?
Court adjourned.
Let's go outside, live to outside the courtroom to post-trial thoughts with the plaintiff and defendant. What's going on out there, Wilfred?
Right. Well, big upheaval in the world of television comedy. Mr. Bieber, you're now the executive producer of the hit sketch comedy show Saturday Night Live. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel excited, because I'm the Biebs and I should run that kind of stuff. That's me. That's who I am.
Were you expecting this coming into the courtroom today?
I was kind of pulling for straws, kind of like that Calvin Klein ad, that they make me look better than I really did, actually appear out there. But that's why I'm so excited, because I promised the judge I'm going to make him the host, and he's going to be the host of the show. I'm even going to get Liberace. I'm going to bring him out of the grave, and he's going to be on there every week.
And here I am with former executive producer Lorne Michaels. Where does this get you upset?
Well, if I felt human emotion, yes. But fortunately I don't, so it's just another event that happened.
And when you say, thankfully you don't have human emotions, is that an expression of gratitude?
Yes.
Is that not an emotion?
I don't believe so. It may be, but it's one of those emotions that you can define with a dictionary, so I am able to comprehend how normal humans might react should they be feeling gratitude.
Right. That'll do it for Community Court.
The verdict has been made and the court of law is spoken. Tune in next week for another fascinating episode of Community Court.
Give the Wincast your suggestions via Facebook, Twitter, or the KZKO Win blog during the commercial break of a crime that needs to be solved during Truth and Justice. Next on KZKO.
You are listening to Win on KZKO. Check them out every Monday from 4 to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Only on KZKO.